Hello guys, welcome to this new section, or rather I should say the second project of the course. For now, let's check out simple VLOOKUP functions. You might have heard awful lot of stuff on VLOOKUP functions by other Excel users. If not, it's completely fine. We are so close to learning to create our own functions at this point using VBA. Still, VLOOKUP is another Excel built-in function and another handy tool to be aware of. So here in my windows, what I have opened in front of you is simple VLOOKUPs.xlsx file, Excel file, and over here I have name of some people, or yeah, that's it over here that I have in column A, and over here in column B I have the hair color of the corresponding name of the people. And what I'm going to do is use VLOOKUP function over here. So I will highlight this cell to let you know that I'm going to use VLOOKUP function over here. So what I will do is type say W here, and here in this cell I will apply VLOOKUP function. So to apply that function, I will simply call that function VLOOK. Excel is auto suggesting me, tap to select that, and now Excel is as usual telling me the number of arguments and the type of arguments and the arguments name. So the first we have is VLOOKUP value, and that is nothing but this cell. Okay, pretty straightforward up till now. Then the table array, and that is this table array. Now remember that the Excel is going to look for the value of A9 in the first column of the selected range. So if W was over here, or I would have like typed black over here and would have expected to be found corresponding value, I would have got an error of false, means the output would not have been as expected, because Excel would fail to find out black in the column 1. It will not find anything in the column 2 or 3 or 4 if there. So moving on to the next argument, and that we have is here column index number. So Excel wants to know when it finds the match, and suppose it is a huge the range contains 10 data columns. So which column data do you want to display in this column? So this is column 1 and this is column 2. So I want to get displayed the data, corresponding data of the selected cell over here, the corresponding column of column 2. So that is multi. So column 2 is what I am going to type over here, and then moving on to the next argument, what I have is true or false, and that is, it is clearly suggesting me that true is for approximate match. Suppose if I type something that is DAB, and it is nowhere in this column, there is no data entry in this column as DAB, so it will go to the closest approximation, that is W, and print the corresponding, or show me the corresponding answer. And if I set this to false, then that is what I want at the moment. It will print only the data if there is an exact match over here. So I will hit enter now, and it shows multi. If I type June here now, it shows black. If I type Ash here now, it shows none. If I type AS now,